Hello, what is your name?
My name is Cherry Sitomogos.
How old are you?
I'm 48 years old.
What is your religion?
I am a Christian.
Are you married?
I'm separated.
Okay, how many kids you have?
I have one daughter, 19 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I working in Hong Kong 10 years and 4 months.
Okay, so do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, madam. I have experience for other countries in Cyprus for 5 years and 2 years, 3 months in Malaysia.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
I've been working for my previous employer for 5 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Living in my employer's living in Yautong.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
800 square meters.
Square feet. Okay, how many family member there?
They are 4.
Okay, how many kids?
They have 2 kids.
How old are they now?
The younger one is a 12 years old girl and 14 years old boy.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 5:30 cooking for the foods that they bring in the school. And then I prepare their breakfast, and then they going to school. Then I cleaning the house, washing all the clothes, and ironing their uniforms, and take care the dogs. They have dogs, and then preparing their foods for dinner.
Okay. So what time you cook for the dinner?
Usually I cook 6, 6, and we eat dinner for 7 or 7:15.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you.